Okay, now we're gonna try. Let's hope we can do it. So like 3-pointer. Oh, we gotta do this. Ah, damn it, bro. This sucks. Alright, 1, 3. Oh, that's easier than I thought. 2 threes. Yo. Come on, give me 3 threes. Give me 9. No way. For good luck. Sharky dance. Who's boom, boom between the legs. For good luck. Go, go, Sharky gang. Damn it. Go, go, Sharky gang. To end it off, let's do another 3. Yes, sir. Just like that. Didn't take too long. Didn't take that long. It shouldn't take you that long, even if you have skill like me. I'm literally a skilled and I cannot shoot. Like, literally cannot shoot. That 2, I just missed it. The other 2, I just missed it. That one I made, you could hear it. That one just went over there. Alright, so try it out. Tag me in the comments. Hashtag ballers, hashtag whatever. Just if it lands on my For You page, I'll add you. Yeah. Let's hope it lands on my For You page. Even if it doesn't. So I'm gonna call this challenge I'm gonna call this challenge 3 chickens in a row. It's just gonna be called 3 chickens in a row, literally. Titles is literally called 3 chickens in a row. So just put that at it and mention me, because maybe 1v1 you can be in a future video. I could be feature one of your videos, because I mean, I'm not a big content creator, never said I was. Will be soon, maybe like 10,000, 10,100, 10,100, 1,000, somewhere around those numbers, like 5,000. Just try it out. I'm yapping too much.